Okay, so this week for week 21 in math, we're going to do rounding and estimating. But first, I'm going to show you rounding. Okay, so we're going to round each number to the nearest 10. So here's 33, and when we round to the nearest 10, we're going to look in our ones place to tell us what to round this number in the tens place to. So with this number 33, here are the rules to rounding. If you have numbers that are 4 and below, you're going to round down to 0. If you have numbers that are 5 and above, you're going to round up to 10. And the same goes for 14 and below, you're going to round down to 10. 15 and above, you're going to round up to 20, and so on and so on. So here we go. Let's look at our number, and we have 33, so we're looking at the ones place to tell us what to do for the tens place. So let's go back to our rule here. So if we have 33, or the 3, then we round down to 0. But in this case, we round to 30, okay? So our answer here is 30. For number 17, the number 17, we have a 7 in this place. So when our rules sheet says if we see it on this side of 5 and up, then we're going to round it up. So the number here actually on the chart, which is 17, we're going to round it up to 20. All right, let's do one more in the nearest 10. So for 28, we're going to round it based on the 8. Let's go to our chart. And for 8, we're going to round it up. So we have 28. We're going to round it up to 30. Okay, so now we're going to go down the sheet, and we're going to use bigger numbers here, and don't allow this bigger number to scare you, because you're still going to use the same concept as what we used in the problems before. So we have 814. We go to our chart, and our 4 is still going to tell us what to round this number to. So we have 814. So let's find 14 on the chart. So we're going to round it down to 10. Okay? So that would be 810 instead of 814. So now we have 233. We're just going to pay attention to these numbers. We're not going to allow the 2 to scare us. So we're going to look at our chart for 3, or in this case, for 33. 33 is in the range for us to round down to 30. So the number will be 231 round. Let's do one more so we can make sure we're confident. 575, we're going to see where we're rounding to. Let's look for 75 on our chart here, and try to scroll down a little bit here. Scroll a little bit. All right, here's 75. So 75 is on the upside, and we round 75 up, the 80. So this number would be 580 when rounded. So one thing I want to tell you about this chart is that all of these numbers you see, 4, 3, 2, 1, they're all going to be rounded down to 0. It does not matter which number it will be. Any of these numbers is going to be rounded to 0. Any of these numbers, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, are going to be rounded to 10. And likewise, in this row, this row. So I have placed links at the bottom of the video for you to be able to get this chart and print it out on your own, as well as an abundance of worksheets. So all you have to do is refresh the worksheet, and it'll populate you a brand new worksheet so that you can have as much practice as you like. Leave comments and subscribe if you'd like to get videos every time I upload them for my students. I hope you have a great week.